The story of the haircut box is basically just the story of how we live our lives, and we were able to turn the purpose of that into a business. It's our second anniversary, and it got me thinking about how far we've come. I did hair professionally for 14 years, and I remember having the same thought every single time a mom would bring in her kid. I would think, why isn't she doing this haircut by herself? She could save herself so much time. It'd be so much more convenient to her, and she could use the money that she's paying me to create some memories with her kids. We would get asked often how we were able to do so much and why we were able to have what we had. And I remember thinking it was kind of a tricky question to answer because it seemed simple in my brain, because that's just how we had decided to live. We wanted to spend our time and our money on the things that were most important to us and make a few sacrifices here and there for things that were less important. Although I loved doing hair, I knew that I wanted to do something more. And so I started thinking about the things that I was good at. I was really good at having fun. I was really good at creating fun experiences for my family. I was really good at being frugal and saving for the things that I wanted. And I was really good at doing hair. So you can see that starting the haircut box was so much more than just teaching people how to give cool haircuts at home. It was allowing people to save their money and spend it on, say, a family vacation that they've always wanted to go on, or buying something for their family that they've always wanted to but never felt like they had enough to do that. It was saving enough to be able to take their family out to ice cream or out to dinner, or even pay for their kids to play a sport. It was being able to spend quality time with your kids at home when you're cutting their hair. It was the convenience to be able to cut their hair whenever you wanted to instead of having to work around other people's schedules. Starting this business was honestly the hardest thing I have ever done. I did not know the first thing about business, or websites, or manufacturers, or shipping, or Instagram, or Reels, or tutorials, or the thousands of other things that starting a business takes. But I just started, and I hit a ton of roadblocks and dead ends, and I had a lot of sleepless nights and a lot of nights that I was so overwhelmed I thought about quitting, and I was burning both ends of the candle. I was waking up early, I was staying up late. I was trying to do this all with 4 small kids and a husband who was working a lot. I also had a misconception of having to choose between being a good mom and a good wife or being a successful business owner. And through this entire process, I've proved to myself that that is false information. I can be a fun mom and a good mom and also be a very successful business owner. We started out small. The first year I had a goal to sell 50 boxes, and in the first few hours of launch, we had already sold over that, and I could not believe that this idea that started out so small and evolved into a complete solution for the home haircut problem was actually going to work. Our business grew so unexpectedly fast. My kids are small, but they are mighty, and they packed almost every single box with me in that first year. Starting this business with 4 small kids was the hardest yet the best thing we could have done. As a family, it's given us the opportunity to teach our kids the value of hard work. One of my very favorite things that I've been able to do these past 2 years is to show you a little glimpse into my life. It's true what they say. You can take the girl out of the farm, but you definitely can't take the farm out of the girl. I loved sharing grain harvest with you, and I loved sharing spud harvest with you, and it still gets me emotional thinking about all of the thousands of people that were praying for our family this year. What an incredible last 2 years it's been. I still can't believe that we have sold thousands of boxes and continue to sell out. We get messages and pictures almost daily from moms who cannot believe that they just gave such a dang good haircut. And I wish we could just share with you all of the success stories that we get about what they're spending their money on and where they're spending their time, and what an amazing gift the haircut box has been for these families. What an incredible thing to be able to gift your family. The gift of time, the gift of money, the gift of quality time spent with them. Thank you feels very inadequate, but thank you for being here. Thank you for following along. Thank you for believing in us. Thank you for trusting us. Thank you for sharing our content and watching our content. From our little family to yours, thank you.